You make sure a chart is complete before a patient is discharged. A hiring manager reads that phrase and sees a clinical professional doing their job. But if you say you validated discrete data capture to ensure downstream transmission, suddenly they see a system builder. Highly capable clinical professionals waste months applying to generic roles and buying expensive certificates because their vocabulary is misaligned with the systems they want to build. The bedside skills are already there. The problem is the language. I have spent 2 decades building electronic health records and the interoperability layers that sit between them. In that time, I've watched some nurses transition into IT roles in 90 days, while others spin their wheels for 3 years. The ones who move fast stop describing what they did at the bedside and start describing what that work meant to the system architecture. You can execute this exact transition using the Nurse to Health IT Career Pivot Kit linked below. It is a complete 90-day system designed to move you out of the clinical grind and into a technical build role. Until you learn to speak in system terms, your applications will hit a wall. Mastering this specific linguistic translation is the mandatory first step before you touch a resume, write a cover letter, or schedule an interview. Most people aim too broad. They apply to every job with informatics in the title. Generalists end up competing in massive pools against every other generalist. You bypass that bottleneck by targeting a highly specific architectural niche within the system. There are actually 10 distinct entry roles in health IT, ranging from clinical analysts to credential trainers. Your specific bedside background dictates exactly which of those roles you should target first. This branching map shows where your specialty fits. Intensive care logic maps to the ClinDoc module. Emergency expertise targets ASAP. As the map splits, the translator takes a basic statement, like trained nurses, and scales it to a level 3 analyst voice, provided end-user workflow training. You take these newly translated level 3 phrases and inject them into the provided resume templates. Whether you are an entry-level applicant, a mid-career charge nurse, or a clinical director, your experience is completely reframed for the hiring manager. Combining precise software module targeting with level 3 vocabulary is the only reliable way to bypass initial recruiter screening filters and prove you understand the software. Securing the interview is a solid start, but passing it requires macro-level workflow literacy. You have to understand how clinical systems actually talk to each other. This flowchart tracks the Maria Gonzalez patient journey. It illustrates how discrete data, like a cardiology consult, moves from an inpatient node, travels through middleware interfaces, and routes perfectly into a regional exchange. You pair this comprehensive understanding of data flow with the START interview framework. This method allows you to systematically answer the 30 technical screening questions included in the kit by confidently tracing the downstream technical effects of your bedside decisions. Explaining where data goes after it leaves the charting screen is the primary differentiator between a standard clinician and a system builder. There is a common misconception that you need a $3,500 informatics certificate to be taken seriously. That is an expensive illusion. Looking at this scatter plot from the CERT decision matrix, generic expensive degrees offer low return on investment. The real strategy is stacking a cluster of cheap, highly credible technical signals. For example, completing free foundational training on HL7 signals deep technical curiosity to a hiring manager without draining your bank account. This schematic breaks down an optimized LinkedIn pivot profile. By injecting specific technical keywords, targeted headline formulas, and starter posts directly into these highlighted zones, you actively broadcast your specialized credibility to the market. When you stack cost-effective technical signals and display them correctly, you stop endlessly applying to job boards. Recruiters start coming to you. The difference between planning a pivot and actually making one comes down to strict execution. The system requires exactly 90 minutes dedicated to each component, worked through in a rigid chronological sequence. This diagram shows the AI copilot prompts built into the end of each chapter. The formula ingests your specific clinical variables and outputs a highly customized narrative block, instantly tailoring the entire structural framework to your exact background. You can spend another 12 months researching programs and feeling unprepared, or you can commit to a definitive 90-day timeline and actually get it done.